Podcastle for Teams is a powerful feature within our podcast creation platform that enables seamless collaboration and teamwork among users. With Podcastle for Teams, you can create a shared workspace where you and select team members can work together to create, edit, and publish podcast content. Creating a team workspace is super easy. Here's how. From the homepage, click on the plus symbol on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Fill out the team information. To give your team workspace a visual identity, you can upload a profile picture or team logo. This will help team members recognize and associate with the workspace easily. Start adding team members to your workspace. You can invite co-hosts, producers, editors, marketers, and other relevant individuals who will contribute to your podcast. Assign roles and access levels to each team member. Each team member can have a specific role within the workspace, granting them permissions as a viewer, creator, or admin. Note that while you can add unlimited viewers into the workspace for free, inviting additional creators and admins will require you to upgrade your plan. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own team workspace. You can now begin collaborating with your team members, creating and editing podcast content together, and publishing high-quality episodes as a team. Let us know if you have any questions.